Woman, woman, woman. Oh my god, do you hear how... I love the sound of it that it makes in my voice because it sounds like a little squirrel. Like, doesn't it sound like Alvin and the Chipmunks? Like,
I get so lightheaded.
But it's so fun. Oh man, I'm running out of it. I only have just a little bit left and then I'll be done.
Inhale, Death, inhale.
I think I'm all out.
That was so fun.
You still can't have mine.